Have you ever stopped to think about how quickly information spreads today, especially online? One post, one share, and suddenly a story can reach millions, transforming public perception in moments. It is truly remarkable how powerful digital communication has become. Employee social media activity can significantly impact a company's brand, both positively and negatively, because employees are often seen as direct extensions of the company's identity and values. This immediate connection means every online interaction, comment, or share has the potential to influence how the public views the employer's reputation and integrity. The core reason for this profound influence lies in several interconnected factors. Firstly, public perception is highly swayed by individual voices. What an employee posts, whether it is about their daily work life or a personal opinion, often reflects directly on the company's culture, ethical standards, and overall values. A positive post, sharing a company success or a community initiative, can greatly enhance brand image and foster goodwill. Conversely, a negative, insensitive, or inappropriate post can quickly erode trust and inflict significant reputational damage. Secondly, social media posts possess an incredible reach. A single tweet or a widely shared video can rapidly go viral, reaching a vast and diverse audience including current customers, potential clients, future employees, and industry partners. This broad exposure amplifies the impact of any employee's online behavior. Thirdly, consumers often place more trust in authentic, individual voices compared to polished corporate statements. This makes employee posts particularly powerful and influential in shaping public opinion. Lastly, companies have a legitimate and vested interest in protecting their brand equity and market position. To mitigate risks like the accidental revelation of proprietary information, the posting of discriminatory remarks, or the misrepresentation of company policies and products, many organizations implement clear social media policies. These guidelines are designed to help employees understand the boundaries of appropriate online conduct when their professional identity is intertwined with their personal one. Even posts made during an employee's off-duty hours can lead to serious repercussions if they are extreme, highly controversial, or directly link back to the employer in a negative light. To effectively navigate this complex digital landscape, employees should first and foremost familiarize themselves with and understand their company's specific social media policy. Practicing good digital citizenship is also paramount, which essentially means taking a moment to think critically before you post or share anything online. A helpful mental filter is to apply the grandma test. Would you be completely comfortable with your grandmother, your boss, or a future employer seeing this particular post? It is always wise to operate under the assumption that all your posts are public and permanent, as even deleted content can often be recovered or captured and resurface later. Beyond simply avoiding pitfalls, employees can become incredibly powerful brand ambassadors and advocates for their company. When employees authentically and positively promote the brand, they can build genuine connections, foster trust, and humanize the organization in a way that traditional marketing often cannot. This form of organic promotion is invaluable. Conversely, companies must also be aware of the concept of vicarious liability, where an employer could potentially be held responsible for an employee's actions, particularly if those actions occurred within the general scope of their employment, or if the company implicitly endorsed the problematic behavior. Many forward-thinking companies encourage transparency by advising employees to include clear disclaimers on their personal social media profiles, stating that their expressed opinions are their own and do not necessarily representing the views of their employer. This simple step helps to draw a clear line between personal expression and official corporate communication. By consciously understanding how their personal online actions connect to and influence the professional sphere, employees can become proactive contributors to a strong and positive brand image. This not only protects their own individual reputation, but also significantly enhances their employer's standing in the marketplace. It truly is all about thoughtful, responsible, and informed engagement that consistently aligns with both professional integrity and the core values of the company, ultimately creating a valuable win-win situation for everyone involved.